This 2005 Bentley Continental GT is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Continental GT by West Coast Customs, full body kit, custom wheels, custom interior with blue stitching, 6.0L twin turbocharged W12 engine, 6-speed automatic transmission, all-wheel drive system, navigation system, front parking assist, rear parking assist, adaptive xenon headlights, power rear trunk opener, self-leveling suspension, keyless entry, heated front seat, spooled front seat, sheeted exterior mirrors, automatic power windows, blue exterior, black leather interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detailed walk-around. We hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2005 Bentley Continental GT is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and ample pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and PRIC. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.